Right, so we've all done the foil challenge. So today I'm going to start a new challenge, the Dorodango, which is the small shiny mud ball. And unlike the foil ball, you don't need hammers, you don't need foil. Something that doesn't usually just shine out of its own will shine. So today I challenge you guys to try this as well. It takes quite a while, it takes about 2 days to do. I've actually made one already, so I'm just going to show you guys the process of doing it. All you need is some soil out of your garden. I've used a little tea sieve just to sieve it a little bit finer, get all the stones and that out. You guys need finer soil. This is to polish the ball with. So all I've done is I've taken a cloth and I've made it smaller or finer. Obviously some water to make your mud. Once you've got your ball, you're going to use a plastic bag to make it sweat. We'll add the extra layers on to get that shine. So firstly what we're going to do is, everybody loves mud. I'm going to make the mud. It just needs to be doughy. So you can start forming your ball. Doesn't have to be too big. You guys can just twirl it around so you can start getting your sphere shape, and this will also help the clay to come out to the sides. Oops. So I'm doing it outside today. You can get some of that water out. If it's too wet, you'll notice. If it's too dry, it will start cracking. So you'll just keep going like this. Start forming your sphere. As you guys can see, it's already starting to form into a nice little ball there. Different color soils will give you different results. Once you get the consistency that you want, you're going to take some of the dry soil and start adding it so you can start getting a better shape. You'll notice I'll just swirl it around just to start getting it round and round and round. A little more dry soil. As you guys can see, it's starting to take nice shape now. So what I do is I just roll it like this. Little kids in Japan are also doing this. This has been around quite a few years. There's actually a few videos on YouTube, but not a challenge video as yet. So you're going to start shaping your ball. You're going to start adding some of your finest soil. You're just going to keep going. I'm going to add a little bit more dry soil this side. You start getting your sphere shape. Your finer ones until it starts going dry. You guys will see sometimes it does crack. Just keep going. That I'll show you how to sort out just now. You're going to put enough soil on until it goes dry. Then you're going to make it sweat a bit in the bag. The quickest way to do that, if you want to speed up time, is to put it into the refrigerator. so that it can speed up. Okay, right, so once you got your sphere, happy with it, you're going to take your bag, going to place it into your bag. Tie it up. And into the fridge it goes. Okay, so once it's been in the refrigerator for a while, it's condensed quite nicely. You're going to open it. You just need more bags. It's still going to be a bit soft. Take it out. You can see it's a little bit better. You're going to get more dry sand. You're going to add it on, and you're just going to keep working it. Just the same as before, until it looks almost dry. Back in the fridge, condensate. Don't leave it too long, put it on something soft, otherwise the ball's going to go flat at the bottom. So you're just going to keep going, keep going. You will see cracks form like this. If that happens, when you put your ball into the bag, just throw a bit of sand over it. That should, when it condensates, should seal it up quite nicely. So you're going to keep going, keep going. The more you do this, the thicker the layer of sand on the outside will be, so it will form a nice crust, which will then help you to shine the ball better. So that's why I say it can take up to about 2-3 days, depending on the shine on the ball that you guys want. So you're just going to keep doing that, keep doing that, keep doing that. As I said earlier, I have actually done one. Let me just dry my hands, get my hands clean here. I have made one prior to this so that I can show you guys. Okay, so this is what your ball is going to look like near to the end. You'll see it's still dusty. There we go. Still got dust on. So you're just going to work it, work it, work it. You guys will see it will start forming a hard crust, hard layer on here. You can see it's actually chipped a bit. You're going to get a dry cloth, soft cloth. You're going to start just rubbing it softly in the beginning. It's formed a nice hard shell. Then you guys can start polishing it. And that's how you polish a mud ball. So like I've said, we've all done the foil ball challenge. I see guys have done bullet ones. I see guys have done gold ones. Try the mud ball challenge, the Dorodango. I'll keep you guys posted on any new videos. Please like the video if you guys did like it. Comment, share the video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll keep posting new unique things like this, challenges. If you guys want to see something different, hit the little bell button icon. Get notifications every time I post something new. Thanks for watching.